In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step process for properly terminating a Panduit Industrial Net M12 Decode plug. Before we begin, let's identify the necessary components of an M12 Decode plug termination. They are the lock nut, seal, splice element, and the connector housing. Begin by placing the lock nut onto the cable. Select the appropriate seal for the cable diameter and slide it onto the cable. The rubber portion of the seal should face the lock nut and the key should face the splice element. Use the cable jacket stripper tool to score the cable jacket approximately 25 millimeters or 1 inch from the end of the cable. Bend the cable carefully to remove the cable jacket. Use the wire cutters to unweave the braid from the outer cable jacket. Pull the braid back along the jacket and remove the foil. Untwist and separate the conductors. Adjust the unwoven braid and seal so they are flush with the end of the cable jacket. Insert the conductors into the appropriate quadrants of the splice element according to the wiring chart shown below. This chart is also included in the package with the connector. Mate the splice element with the seal, ensuring that the locating keys are aligned. Use the wire cutters to trim the excess braid material and to trim the excess conductors flush with the splice element. Align the connector housing and screw it onto the lock nut. Use one pair of pliers or a properly sized wrench to hold the housing steady and another to tighten the lock nut. Ensure that you are twisting only the lock nut. Panduit's M12 Decode connector may be re-terminated up to 10 times with a cable of the same conductor diameter or larger.